My child, your joy and blessings are not distant dreams. They are within your reach, waiting to be grasped. Visualize the strength that resides within you, growing with every step you take. My child, face your adversaries with unwavering faith, even in the midst of formidable conflicts and pressing needs. If there are times when you feel disconnected, silent, or seemingly alone, fear not. In those moments, trust that I, the bearer of hope, will arrive precisely when needed to rescue you. Witness how your resilience causes your enemies to retreat in awe. Their threats will crumble in the face of your unyielding spirit. Do not let the whispers of doubt penetrate your heart. Abandon fear, for your enemies cannot instill it when you stand firm. Revel in abundance and remain vigilant against the pitfalls of pride and arrogance, for that is where the true enemy lies. In your journey, may each challenge encountered be a stepping stone to your triumph, and may the echoes of your unwavering spirit reverberate through the tapestry of your destiny. Rise, my warriors, for greatness awaits you. As you look ahead, get ready to face whatever comes your way with determination, strength, and bravery. Build the foundation of your heart on wisdom and good judgment, anchored firmly in my words. Don't let anyone belittle you or hide your true self. You have value, even though every day might feel like a battle for your mind, filled with doubts. But don't worry, I'm here to strengthen you. Believe in yourself because you're stronger than you realize. We're in this journey together, day and night. In the morning, share your plans with me, and when night falls, tell me your fears and dreams. Trust me completely and let go of any doubts like shadows in the light. Remember, you're not alone in this struggle. We'll face the challenges together, and with each step, you'll become stronger. Embrace each day as an opportunity to triumph, and let your belief in your worth guide you through the darkness. You're resilient, capable, and deserving of all the success that awaits you. Keep moving forward confidently because your journey is one of courage and victory. Above all, get ready for a shower of amazing blessings that I'm about to unleash upon you, surpassing any request you might have. Trust in my unwavering commitment to amaze you with greatness, paving the way for abundant joy and fulfillment. Even when the road ahead seems uncertain, rest assured that your faith in me will light the way. I'll be your reliable guide, navigating through the unclear paths and leading you to triumphant destinations. No matter how deep your despair, my hand can reach you. In your lowest moments, remember that I'm here to lift you from the abyss. Rise with the confidence that you're not alone. I'm your source of strength and resilience. When it seems like I'm silent, know that I'm still there. Even if I appear quiet, I'm never absent. In the whispers of the wind and the rustle of leaves, find the assurance that I'm intricately woven into your journey. My hand will sustain you until the very moment of triumph. Embrace the power within because I've already given you victory over any challenges that may come your way. Stand tall, confident in the triumphs that await, and let the echoes of victory resound in every step you take. Everything is going your way. Embrace this moment because it's your time to shine. Follow my lead and walk with unwavering determination. In my presence, let love conquer any lingering fears. Think about the treasures of the earth, sparkling gems and majestic mountains covered in gold. They may catch your eye for a moment, but compared to my boundless love, they're nothing. Your inheritance, your birthright, is the wealth of my unwavering love, given generously to all who bask in my light. Step confidently into the arena of life, knowing that love is what drives you. It's the wind beneath your wings, the strength in your stride, and the warmth in your heart. Let it push you towards greatness, because with its support, you can conquer any challenge. You are destined for greatness, fueled by the limitless love that surrounds you, my precious child. Take a moment to calm your heart and listen closely to the soft whispers of the Spirit. They echo the infinite embrace of unwavering love. Just like the sunrise and the tides that grace the shores, let faith be your anchor in the symphony of existence. Believe me when I say, my beloved, that our connection goes beyond time itself. It's an eternal bond that weaves us together in a beautiful tapestry of divine affection. Your trust in me forms the solid foundation upon which your purpose is built, unshaken by any doubts that may come your way. So, open up your heart and lend me your ears. I, the Lord your God, speak to you intimately, reaching the deepest corners of your soul. In this sacred moment, feel the warmth of my presence surrounding you. Imagine our hands intertwined, fingers interlaced in an unbreakable covenant of companionship. Find comfort in knowing that I am always by your side, my child. I will guide you through the ups and downs of life's journey. Embrace the love that surrounds you. Let your faith shine like a guiding light. And remember that you are cherished, now and forevermore. Don't worry, when I say I'll help you, it goes beyond just words. It's a sacred promise that echoes through time. Imagine the vast universe where the same hands that scattered stars across the night sky write this pledge on the fabric of your life. Picture yourself as clay being shaped by a skilled potter. I am that potter carefully molding you into a masterpiece. Even in the darkest moments, remember that your struggles don't define you. It's my will that overcomes adversity. Think of those times when you surrender, finding strength in vulnerability. During these moments, hold on to hope like a lifeline, anchor your spirit in unwavering faith, and let love be the driving force that propels you forward. Just as faith, hope, and love endure with love reigning supreme, remember that your journey is a testament to the resilience born from these timeless virtues. So when faced with challenges, stand strong, guided by the beacon of hope, strengthened by unwavering faith, and fueled by the transformative power of love. You are not alone, and with every step, you embody the triumphant spirit of enduring virtues. Thank you for embarking on this exhilarating journey of inspiration and motivation with us today. I trust that the words we've shared have set a blaze of fervor within you, urging you to grasp your dreams tightly and immerse yourself in the positive vibes surrounding you. If you found this video to be a beacon of upliftment, make sure to hit that like button below. Your support acts as the driving force behind more content like this, spreading waves of positivity and encouragement to everyone in our ever-growing community. But let's not hoard this newfound inspiration for ourselves. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone hungry for a dose of motivation. Together, we can unleash a cascade of positivity that touches hearts and transforms lives. And if you haven't taken the plunge yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you become an integral part of this incredible community committed to growth, positivity, and making a meaningful impact. As we conclude our journey today, always hold on to this truth. The power to shape your destiny lies within you, and your journey is an extraordinary tapestry uniquely yours. Maintain unwavering belief in yourself. Pursue greatness with relentless determination, and let the love and inspiration you carry illuminate every path you tread. Gratitude fills our hearts for your presence in this community. Until our paths cross again, stay inspired, stay motivated, and continue to radiate your light. Thank you for being an essential part of this extraordinary journey.